Annyeonghaseyo. Mani akong school supply. Kani mga ni akong supply tapos nakapalit ko calculator kay tunod kay Lunis magkuha naman may magibay tapos palitan po kog bag ni mama nga gamay kay para sundanan sa ako ang cellphone. Nya ani mga sapatos sa akong manghod, chanila sa akong manghod, kani ka jack, kani ka ayan. Nya mani mga band fever.
Mausad ni ang ako ang napalit na itlog. Thank you so much. May buntag nim sa isa ka tray na itlog. Thank you so much.
Kamsamida. Kimbyong yang ne, annyeonghaseyo. Kamsamida. SJ ni, annyeonghaseyo. Kamsamida.
Annyeonghaseyo, Raja Chanim. Thank you for this worth 1,000 pesos fruits. So here is the lanzones, grapes, apples, mango skin, banana, ano pa ni? Mango, apple, rambutan, and rambutans. Ano ba? Hindi na nakatalan. Hindi ko ang katalaan ko. Kamera ka? Ano ko gamit? Oh! Kalsi. Ay! Tabi ko. Hindi lang natin ang grapes. Ah! Tabi. Hindi kayo share na natin sila. Be. Mo eh. Mamang skin. Gawin na ka ng bawang ko niya. Mahal ko na siya. Ayos mo.
Hi, Mary Grace.
Hi. Annyeonghaseyo.
What are you doing?
Teacher, nag-give ko later.
Huh?
Nag-give ko later. I will tell you the teacher happy Teacher's Day.
Thank you. Okay. What are you doing? Nag-unta makaron.
Nag-give ko later sa Teacher's Day.
Oh, you are making a letter for Teacher's Day. Who's your teacher?
Teacher Rita and Teacher Richard.
Okay. Okay, so today, magunta man karon.
Kaon ko ganyan.
Oh, you are eating Jin ramen. And that is from?
Iho Jinin.
Huh?
Iho Jinin, kamsahamnida for the Jin ramen.
Okay, 찰먹겠습니다.
Kamsahamnida.
식사하세요. Okay, sige na, eat na. You like ramen? Huh? Kanan ka ramen? Can you rate the ramen 1 to 10? Rate ang ramen. Oh, lami dili.
Lami.
From 1 to 10, kapila man ang ramen?
10.
Oh, 10. Chokes to go ramen.
Chokes to go.
Okay. Bye-bye, Mary Grace.
Bye-bye. Kamsahamnida.
It's well. Ang ako ang activity is muhatag ko niyo given with choices. Then all you have to do is to solve. Tira sa bond paper. No, na may bond paper, right?
Yes.
So, i-solve na ninyo sa inyong bond paper. And then your final answer will be kuan. Isuwat niyo sa tag board. So, once Moingon ko, raise your tagboard, so you have to raise your tagboard. Are we clear? So you have to write the letter and number. Okay na kasi nabot?
Yes.
So this is the number 1. People at the back, so you can write your answer in your notebook. Okay, so raise your tagboard. Okay, so the answer is letter B, 52.1. So Dave got the correct answer. Okay, so next representative. For second representative, so we have Caitlin versus Tiny. So for number 2. Okay. Okay, raise your tagboard. Okay, people at the back. Kailan yung answer?
A.
That is letter A. Inside letter A.
306.
Okay, the correct answer is letter A. 306. Okay. For representative number 3, so we have here John Lawrence versus Kongju. Okay, Kongju, can you turn? Okay, ikaw, Arika, turn. Number 3. Okay. Okay, are you done? Okay, raise your tagboard. Okay, so the answer is letter B. Okay, 112.1. Oh, so both of you got the correct answer. Okay, so next, let's have representative number 4. Okay, so makontrag yapon mo next round ha. Okay, representative number 4. So we have here Jane versus Daniel. So for number 4. Okay. Your tagboard. Pila answer niyo lang ka. Oh, so the correct answer is 100.8. Okay, Jane got the correct answer. Okay. So I'll give you 20 pesos. Then you have to buy mugo-mugo. Katong tag 10. And sige, go. That is from Mactan Korea channel.
Mactan Korea channel. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay. Jellyfish are endangered. Which amongst they do not have a black bone?
So they also do not have brain, eyes, or heart. Jellyfish and paano nito? They use to strain their brain. Their bodies have tentacles which they use to sting their prey. Jellyfish eat crabs, fish, plants, and other jellyfish.
Jellyfish are endangered. Which amongst they do not have a black bone?
They also do not have a brain, eyes, or heart. Ikaw, ano? Sige na lang ikaw.
Nilapos ang ihang unicorn.
Four times 9, 36. 7 times 1 equals 7, 7 times 2 equals 4, 10, 7 times 3 equals 21, 7 times 4 equals 28, 7 times 5 equals 35, 7 times 6 equals 40, 7 times 7 equals 49, 7 times 8 equals 56, 7 times 9 equals 63. 6 times 1 equals 6, 6 times 2 equals 12, 6 times 3 equals 18, 6 times 4 24, 6 times 5 32, 6 times 6 26, 6 times 7 42, 6 times 8 48, 6 times 9 54.
9 times 1 equals 9, 9 times 2 equals 18, 9 times 3 equals 27, 9 times 4 equals 36, 9 times 5 equals 45, 9 times 6 equals 54, 9 times 7 equals 63, 9 times